I've been dieting for 3 weeks now, and I'm down 5.6 pounds from my starting weight. I wanted to show you what a typical day of eating has looked like for me with my goal of losing body fat and keeping as much muscle as I can, because a lot of people think that they need to eat boring chicken and broccoli in order to lose weight, which isn't the case. And this isn't my first time I'm doing this. I am someone who has struggled with their weight for most of my life, not someone who is blessed with abs or has never had issues with their weight. But through that, I've been able to lose over 80 pounds and keep it off, as well as help other people do the same as a full-time career for the past 7 years, which brings up another point that I'll cover very quickly before we get into our first meal. So without further ado, let's get into it. Right, so what we are having is overnight oats that I make the night before. So this is just almond milk, oatmeal, almond milk, oats, protein powder. I have peanut butter protein powder in there, and chia seeds. I usually put pumpkin seeds as well, but I ran out. So I make 2 servings at a time, so I don't have to make them every single night. And all I'll do is, I don't weigh this out because I know there's 2 portions. I already weighed, I just had a brain fart. I already weighed the amounts the night before. So all I do is I eyeball half, put that in right there. Oh my gosh, I usually rinse this off before I stick it in the yogurt. So let me actually do that. Are we focused? Here I have a clean spoon now. And so I will actually, if you can see, I have my scale right here. I will put the container on and I will tear it, so make it 0. And now all I have to do is I do 220 grams. And so I will take out yogurt until I reach 220 grams. 224, boom, that's good enough. I put that right over my overnight oats to add a little bit of protein, to also add a little bit of volume to the meal, so more food that I actually eat. And then, because I love texture and it just is delicious, I add a little bit of granola. This has been my favorite recently. I've done other ones, but I'll do 40 grams, 40 G's of granola right on top. Tear the scale. Get to the bottom of the granola because it's just crumbs, but it is what it is. All right, and you know the beautiful thing about this is that I've already pre-logged it. I've already put it into my Cronometer, and I've found from working with people that a successful habit that a lot of people have is eating similar meals. It could be your first meal of the day, it could be your second. Usually most people do best with having their breakfast be the same meal. For me, again, I eat this pretty much every single day. Super high in protein. It's a lot of food. This is heavy. But it just makes being successful with weight loss so much easier. And so this is gonna be first meal, peanut butter overnight oats with chia seeds, granola, and Greek yogurt. I'm gonna have this, and then I will see you in our next snack or meal or wherever it is. All right, so hopefully you hear me, but I just finished my workout and I'm gonna do a little bit of steps. I am lacking in steps, so I brought my protein, because usually I would go home, have a protein shake, shower, have my meal, but I'm going to be walking for a little while, so just want to start that recovery process. And is it going to be a deal breaker? Will your muscle just melt away if you don't get protein in right away? No. But when you're in a calorie deficit, when you've been dieting for a while, you are more prone to losing muscle mass. So you just want to do everything you can to in your favor, right? So protein powder now, walk for a little while, and then we'll go home, shower, and then have our meal number 2. So, see you then. All right, we have meal number 2, which is a delicious, I hope it's a delicious brisket sandwich. So it's brisket that was slow cooked, peppers, not habanero chili, some kind of spicy pepper, poblano French roll. I have, again, I'm a texture person. I'm a big texture guy. So I have some Quest protein chips. Do I always eat protein chips? No, it's just the crispy thing that we had. So I'm gonna have that with my meal, and the best diet soda flavor known to man. Possibly the best soda ever known to man. And I'm gonna eat this and enjoy it while catching up on Jiu-Jitsu Kaizen. I don't know if it focused there, but I also just want to talk about how pre-logging your meals makes this whole weight loss journey so much easier, right? So before the day even started, I put everything into Cronometer, which is my food tracking app. If you want to check that out, I'll leave a link down in the description. But I know exactly how much food I need. And so when it comes time to actually eating my food, I know the measurements that I need to put in. And that is going to set you up for success. Because weight loss and this new journey is difficult already, and we want to make it as easy as possible. So set yourself up for success, pre-log your foods. Like, I already have dinner put into here, right? And that's going to be a surprise what we're gonna have. But I hope that you see the foods that we're eating is not boring. And I don't always eat these extravagant meals. I just want to make that very clear. Sometimes I just have burger bowls, which is just ground beef, rice, ketchup, mustard, maybe some veggies, sometimes not, or chicken breasts and potatoes. And so it just so happens when I'm filming this that we have these things cooked. And also, if you want to know how to make these recipes and put that into Cronometer or your food tracking app, I will leave a link down in the description to a video I did about how to create custom recipes in Cronometer so that you can eat these recipes and track it and log it. And so I'm gonna eat this, I'm going to enjoy it, and I'll see you guys in the next meal. All right, we have our last meal. Let me put a hat on, because this is the thing about my bowl cut. It looks good when you style it, but when it's down, it just gets in your face and it's a mess. All right, we'll throw this on. So, last meal of the day. Here it is. So this, please focus. Let me hide my face. This is a beef orzo with mushroom, onions, maybe no onions, mushrooms, and that's it. That concludes a full day of eating. Actually, let me show it again just because it's beautiful. So it's like if you never had orzo, kind of like a risotto. You can think of this as a risotto. Really delicious. But that concludes a full day of eating, a realistic day of eating. We actually have one more thing, but it's not a meal. It's a little snack. It's an exciting snack that I have planned. Hazel wants to say hi. I lied. She came here, but anyways, I'm gonna eat this and then I'll actually see you. Let me just grab it, actually, and then you don't have to watch me eat it. All right, I talked to the warden, aka cameraman, aka Brandy, and aka the chef. It has been confirmed that there is onions in the beef stroganoff orzo. So here is the little treat. We're gonna have this. We're gonna have half of it. It's called a Tokyo banana. It's from Japan. I think I've had one before. I really forget how it is, but we're gonna split this and that is gonna be a day. So we'll wrap it up here and then I'll talk to you probably tomorrow. Because I don't want to do an outro tonight. So, and just like that, we have time traveled into the future. It's the next day, and yesterday's calories and protein ended up being 2,171 calories and 209 grams of protein. I will say this, protein is a little bit higher than normal. It's probably because I had protein chips as well, which I don't have all the time, but that is really what a typical day of eating looks like for me in order to lose weight or lose the weight that I have so far. And you just continue. I will just continue doing this day after day, week after week, month after month. And I hope now from this video you can see that you don't have to eat boring and bland foods. You can make this process so much easier and so much more enjoyable. You just have to understand a few key things of how to do that. So if you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. And if you want to see more videos like this, because again, this is just one day, and so there's not a lot of context there, but if you want to see more of that, let me know down in the comments as well. If you're interested in getting help with all of this, you can check the first link in the description to online coaching and seeing what that would look like. And I'll see you guys in the next one.